Hello and welcome to the inaugural Tuesday tour with RE Radar. The goal of this podcast is to constantly be providing my listeners and watchers with helpful information. These video walkthroughs are just going to be another way for me to provide that helpful information to everyone. This tour is an as-is sale. What that means is what you see is what you get. The seller is selling the home in its current condition with no repairs or improvements to be done before the sale. So essentially, the buyer is responsible for any repairs or modifications. As you can see here, there's a hot tub. But remember, this is an as-is sale. There's no actual guarantee that hot tub is even in working condition. You can also see that it is missing the fridge. With as-is sales, you will want to do the due diligence on your side with your real estate agent to make sure that home is not just going to be a massive money pit. Now, the benefit, of course, with an as-is sale is that more often than not, it is going to be at a discounted price compared to other homes of similar size in the similar area. With this house, it is listed for $1.1 million. But in that exact same area, on the same street, a block down, there's a 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home listed for $1.499 million. And another house that is 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath, and is 1 street south, sold at the end of April for $1.5 million. With an as-is sale, you can buy it at a discount, and then you can do the updates to modernize it and get it in a condition that you love, and you will instantly be building up a huge chunk of equity in that home, as you can clearly see that this area supports that higher price if the home was updated. As we head downstairs in this 3-bedroom, 2.25-bath, 2,520 square foot home, it is a split level and all 3 bedrooms are upstairs, with the lower daylight level consisting of a lot of large open space along with a bathroom and a laundry room. Now, if you look here, this home has a sump pump. What a sump pump does is that it is located in an area that is designed to attract all the water so that it then can be pumped out of the house. So having a sump pump in a home is definitely something to note, as it points towards there being moisture, and perhaps if they hadn't gotten the sump pump running in time, there could be old water damage. As you've seen with this walkthrough, this home is not move-in ready. It's not a home where you'd like to buy it and move in without doing much work. So if that's the type of home you're looking for, this wouldn't be for you. But if you're someone who wants to put in a little bit of work to then make the home into a home that you love, this might very well be the house for you. And that brings us to the end of the tour. Thank you for joining along with this inaugural Tuesday tours with RE Radar as we checked out this as-is sale, and hopefully y'all learned a little bit of real estate knowledge. Stay tuned for next week's RE Radar episode.